Hello viewers, today I will show you how to fix Windows 11 not detecting headphone. First open Start and type Advanced System. Open View Advanced System Setting. Click on Device Installation Setting. Select Yes. Click on Save Changes.
If that didn't work,
Open Start and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Expand Sound, Video and Game Controller. Right-click your audio device and select Properties. Open Driver tab. Click on Update tab. Click on Browse My Computer for Update Driver. Click on Let me pick from a list of available driver on my computer. Now restart and your problem should be fixed.
if that didn't work,
Open Start and type Troubleshoot. Open Troubleshoot Setting. Open Other Troubleshoot. In Playing Audio, press Run.
if that didn't work,
Open Start and type Update. Download if you have any updates.